And I'm very glad to present you Ranjith Kumar. He is our trainer who will lead the course Mobile App Development with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. In this video, you'll be able to hear more about his experience and different details about the course. Please, Ranjit, introduce yourself, tell our students more about your experience and how many years you have been working in the IT industry.
Yeah, thank you, Gergana. So, greetings to everyone. I'm Ranjith. I'm basically from India. So, I'm working with mobile app development for the past 12 years. So, I'm doing parallelly development and training, but my main focus is on training only because I love teaching. Teaching is my passion. So, I do deliver training all over the world. I am also Google certified. So I have trained more than 25,000 students in my career so far. Many of the students are working in top MNC companies all over the world. And yeah, I have 12-year experience. I'm also Google certified. I'm teaching mobile app development to students all over the world.
Okay, thank you. According to your observation, what is demand for such professionals like Android certified application developer?
Yeah, definitely. So as of now, if you see, mobile app development is one of the technology which is in top 10 in the world. So I can see AI is everywhere, it's booming, and I can say IoT is there, but whatever you are going to use, the technology, right? The UI is going to be mobile only. So you are not going to use things from laptop. You are going to use it from your mobile, right? So you need mobile application. So the demand is always will be there. Okay, the demand is always there. So wherever you are, it is not even required very good qualification also. If you are very good at developing Android applications, then you can get a job. Even if you are not getting job, you can start doing freelancing. You can develop applications, you can launch it in the Play Store, and you can teach Android people all over the world. There is no qualification needed, there is no limitation, right? There is no you cannot limit yourself within your country because anybody can learn Android. Doesn't mind if whatever the age you have, whatever the qualification you have, you just need internet and interest. That's it.
Thank you very much. The next question is, please tell us a bit more about the course, what topics will be covered, and what practical exercise it will include.
Yeah. So the syllabus we have designed is that is starting from basics to intermediate level. So if you see introduction, we are going to start with what is mobile app development, what is the basis of Kotlin, and what is Jetpack Compose and everything. We start with what is what, and we help with the installing your tool, and start with what is Android OS. So if you just have to have basic knowledge about what is data type, what is class, any programming language, basic idea is enough. So if you know that, we are going to help you from the basics. So yeah, by the end of this program, you can definitely able to develop applications, mobile apps on your end independently without anyone's help. So as you can see here on the screen, these are the main topics that is displayed here, like views and layouts, event handling, even more. Not only this, we are going to learn more, and everything is going to be practical. Android is 200% practical. There is no much theory at all. You just learn what is what, and then you just go open your computer, turn on the Android Studio. You do everything hands-on. There is no theory. Whatever you learn every day, I'll be giving task after completing today's session, right? Whatever the session we complete, whatever the topic we complete, I give task based on what we complete for the day, and you'll be presenting me by the next day. So it's 100% practical. By the end of this course, you can able to develop applications, mobile apps, Android applications independent on your own. I can guarantee you that if you are doing the task, everyday's task.
Thank you very much. How would you define the prerequisites for this course? What skills should potential students already have to get the most from this course?
Okay, that's a good question. The thing is, before coming to the course, you should be aware of basics of any programming language. Any programming language, there is a data type. There is a data type, there is a class, there is a syntax, right? So for example, we are going to learn Android application development using Kotlin, right? So Kotlin is based on Java. Java is based on C and C++, right? So any programming language basics, and also when I mean basics, just what is class, what is function, what is method, what are the data types are there, what is a simple for loop, if condition, else condition. So that is enough. Okay, basics of programming language is enough. And yeah, by doing practically in our class, you will also learn more about the basics of programming also. And one of the important thing is you no need to remember your code when you are learning Android app development. I will be teaching you a trick. So you no need to memorize the code. Okay, you no need to use this as a memory, but you can simply use your brain just to think for the logic, how to use the methods and predefined functions. There are so many libraries are there. By that, you can able to develop applications even simpler and easier. So once again, basics of programming language, any programming language is enough.
Thank you very much. What international certificate will our student get after successfully passing the exam at the end of the course?
Okay, so you'll be getting course completion certification from our partner, as well as you can able to take ATC exam, right? You can able to take ATC exam. Even nowadays, the Google is, they discontinued. Maybe they will resume in future. You can even take Google exam also. As of now, they hold the Google exams, but you can take the ATC exams. You can able to clear that exam also if you are completing and attending my session very, completing every task sincerely means you can able to clear exams also.
Okay, thank you. The next question is what job position are suitable for specialists who just completed this course?
So what job roles are suitable for the graduates? Okay. Okay, so yeah, once you complete this course, you can obviously you can start your career as Android developer. You can join as a mobile tester. So mostly you can get the job as Android developer, mobile application developer, and tester if possible. But our main goal is not tester. You can become developer. That is our goal. Android developer. Even if you are very good at designing, you can become a UI UX designer also. It depends based on your interest. Based on your interest, you can become a developer, Android developer, or if you're very creative, if you're very good at designing, you can become a UI UX developer. Because in this course we are covering how to create UI also, right? So this, if you see, this Android app development is independently a full stack, because we can do designing, we can do backend, we can do logic. Everything we are doing with the Android app development itself. So there are so many opportunities there if you learn Android application development. Once again, you can become Android developer or UI UX designer, and whatever job is coming within this Android, you can definitely able to do that.
Such opportunities for our students. Thank you very much. And the last question is, what can be the next step for the students after they take this course?
Yeah. So let me tell you from my experience what I have seen from students through these many years, right? So mostly what they do is they develop one applications, whatever the idea they have in your mind, they develop some applications. They keep it as a showcase. When they're going for the interview, they can present those applications. Okay, this is the application I developed. This is starting from login screen, some functionality, logic. So it should be solving a problem in real time. It is not just a calculator or which is already there. I ask students to think, take your time to think, develop an application, real-time minded application that should be solving a real-time problem. So like that, I asked them to develop some 2 or 3 applications. They present it in the interview. If the application is good, already they have certification. Already they are very good with their Android app development process, right? Because they learned from us, me. So already definitely they'll be good. So yes, they can get job. That is first point. And as I told you, you can develop freelance applications also. When you just go out and see, there are so many problems, right? Even for the colleges, how they take attendance, they say the name, just say some name, right? And then people say present or absent, right? For that process, you can develop Android application. So whatever process you are doing in real time, that can be developed as an Android app. So you can do freelance projects. First point is getting a job. Second point is freelance project. Third point, you can teach Android. You can teach Android to anyone. You get paid. Yeah, and there are so many freelancing sites out there. Fiverr, many more are there. Upwork. So if are there also, you can develop. You can work for them as a freelancer. There are so many ways. Even you can launch applications in the Play Store also. Yes, there are so many people whose full-time job is just to develop applications and put it in the Play Store. That itself, there are so many students are doing. They are earning 30,000 INR per month minimum. I'm saying, and the average just by doing this job minimum. I'm saying. So there are so many opportunities out there.
Thank you very much for this interview. We will see you in our course.
Thank you, Kirgana.
Thank you very much.